Sarsaparilla root, traditional uses, potential health benefits. This video is for informational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making changes to your diet. Sarsaparilla root, derived primarily from plants in the Smilax genus, has a long history of use in traditional medicine systems across the Americas, Asia, and Europe. Historically valued as a blood purifier and tonic, sarsaparilla has also been used to support skin health, joint comfort, and overall vitality. This paper explores the botanical background of sarsaparilla root, its traditional and modern uses, potential health benefits, safety considerations, and practical tea recipes for home preparation. 1. Introduction. Sarsaparilla root gained prominence in the 16th century when it was introduced to Europe from Central and South America. Indigenous peoples had long used the root as a medicinal remedy, and European herbalists later adopted it into pharmacopeias. Although modern scientific research is still limited, sarsaparilla remains popular in herbalism, wellness practices, and as a flavoring agent in beverages and teas. 2. Key compounds. Sarsaparilla root contains several naturally occurring compounds believed to contribute to its effects. Saponins may support immune response and help bind certain toxins. Flavonoids, known for antioxidant properties. Plant sterols may support hormonal balance. Essential oils contribute to aroma and flavor. While these compounds are promising, their effects can vary depending on preparation, dosage, and individual health status. Traditional and potential health benefits. Detoxification and blood purification. Traditionally, sarsaparilla has been described as a blood purifier. In herbal terms, this refers to its use in supporting the body's natural detoxification pathways, particularly the liver and kidneys. Next, skin health. Sarsaparilla has historically been used to support clearer skin and manage conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and acne. These uses may be related to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds. Next, joint and muscle support. Herbal practitioners have used sarsaparilla for joint discomfort and stiffness. It has been included in formulas aimed at supporting mobility and comfort. Next, hormonal and vitality support. Plant sterols in sarsaparilla have led to its traditional use as a tonic for energy, libido, and overall vitality. It has been used by both men and women in various folk medicine systems. Next, immune support. Some traditional systems use sarsaparilla to support immune health, especially during recovery from illness. Modern scientific research on sarsaparilla is limited, and many claims are based on traditional use rather than clinical trials. Some laboratory studies suggest anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant activity, but more human studies are needed. Sarsaparilla should be viewed as a supportive herbal remedy rather than a primary medical treatment. Safety and considerations. Sarsaparilla is generally considered safe when consumed in moderate amounts. Excessive intake may cause stomach irritation due to saponins. Individuals who are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking prescription medications should consult a healthcare professional before use. Always source sarsaparilla root from reputable suppliers to avoid adulteration. Here are a few tea recipes. First, sarsaparilla tea preparation. Basic sarsaparilla root tea. Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons dried sarsaparilla root, 2 cups water. Instructions: add the root to cold water in a saucepan. Bring to a gentle boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Strain and drink warm. This tea has an earthy, slightly sweet flavor. Next, sarsaparilla detox tea. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon sarsaparilla root, 1 teaspoon burdock root, half a teaspoon dandelion root, 2 cups water. Instructions: combine all herbs with water. Simmer for 20 minutes. Strain and enjoy once daily. This blend is traditionally used to support liver and skin health. Next, sarsaparilla spiced wellness tea. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon sarsaparilla root, 1 small cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 slices fresh ginger, honey or maple syrup optional, 2 cups water. Instructions: simmer all ingredients in water for 15 to 20 minutes. Strain and sweeten if desired. This warming tea is commonly used for circulation and comfort. Conclusion: sarsaparilla root remains a valued herb in traditional and modern herbal practices. While scientific research is still emerging, its long history of use suggests potential benefits for skin health, detoxification, joint support, and overall vitality. When used responsibly and in moderation, sarsaparilla tea can be a flavorful and beneficial addition to a wellness routine. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational Health, Body, and Relationship.